Okay, so we're learning to solve problems using tidy numbers. So the equation is 46 plus something equals 78, and we're going to use a number line to help us solve that problem. So we're going to make 46 into a tidy number, so we're going to add a number line 4, which then equals 50. Then we know that 50 plus 20 is 70. And then 70 plus 8, so we're going to add on to the 8. Okay, so then we're going to say to ourselves, 20 plus 4 equals 24, 24 plus 8 equals 32. So if we were going to solve the problem here, 46 plus something, the something is 32 equals 78.